All right, so here's the progress after night 1 on the Black Sheep line Killa. Got the links on, axles in place, and everything's looking good. Got the plastic Capra axle in the rear, link risers going on. In the front is the offset China Capra also. And yeah, everything came together real well on this thing, to be honest. A little bit of a guessing game with the links. They were some generic forward skid LCG 10.2 links off of Amazon. And, you can see they'd be nice if they tucked a little bit higher into that frame. But it is what it is. I think it's still going to work really, really good. Yeah, with the links too, getting into these things, I didn't use any of the ends that they came with. On the rear, it's got the Traxxas long ends, top and bottom, both sides. Front, I ended up needing to kind of play with this a little bit, put it together a few times, take it apart, and find what was nice and what kind of triangulated right for me. And I ended up putting the upper links on the outside of the frame. There's a little spacer on there, but it just cycles nice and right and works well with everything. So pretty stoked on it. It's looking good. It's yeah, come along. Looking forward to the next steps on this thing. I'm going to do wiring on it tonight and some other layout, and tomorrow we got drive shafts coming in. So it's coming together, and thank you guys for tuning in.